This is the head from my 2cc. You can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but I dimple ported the head. I did that all by hand. It took me like 6 hours. It's all the way down. I'm still polishing the exhaust. It looks pretty good in there. Pretty shiny. A little dirty, but show you the chambers. See the dimple porting in there. Pretty proud about that. Took me forever. You see the exhaust. See how this is all shiny too. I've been polishing this. It's got a little bit more to go. Yeah. This is the block. It's getting put together. You got the rods. Show you got a bolt over here. Take that out real quick. Watching Blue Mountain State. But yeah, this is the pistons. It's those leaves right here. It's those leaves. The pistons. You know, I sent the block to get built because I didn't have time for it. I just couldn't make time. And I got a pretty good guy to build the motor. And you see machine deck the top and everything. But you know, even all that, I just decided just for kicks to check the pistons if they were all right. I trust the guy. I just checked them for no reason whatsoever, and I found out that this ring was broken. Right there, you can see it right there. He broke it when he was putting it in, you know. I'm not mad that it was broken. I just fixed it, no big deal. But the thing that saved me, that I checked it for no reason whatsoever. I just decided to check them before I started putting the head together. And I had to wait another week just to get the set of rings. But man, I am glad I checked it. So if you're working on something like this, check your stuff. No matter if you build it or pay somebody else to build it, just check it. It'll save you from a lot of problems. Imagine just had to take the block out and take it all apart again for no reason. But if you check it, you might just get away with it. And yeah, that's it. I need to get the ARP studs. And yeah, so it'll be pretty awesome once we put it in there. Also, I'm gonna show you the turbo that I bought for this. This is my office. This is the turbo that I bought. I bought a Turbonetics. Look at the size of this thing. This thing came to a small child. It's a 74 millimeter. So that's what's gonna be powering that engine right there. This is the instructions. And it came with this 2 gasket. This is rubber. I've never seen a rubber one. And just your regular gasket. It's a B-band on the bottom. Just a B-band. Yeah, so this is a journal bearing. It's not a ball bearing turbo. But look at this thing, it's huge. I'm really excited about it. There it is, where this right here, set the tag. Too much glare. Yeah, I got it from Summit Racing. We got one in Fourth Ward. In Fort Worth, because you know we're in Texas. But yeah, that's the turbo that I got. This thing cost me like $800, I think, if I can remember right. Awesomeness. Alright guys, we'll see you later in the next update.